So you want to buy a new mechanical gaming keyboard? Then you are in the right place, my friend. Keep watching and get ready to witness this $14 beauty of a mechanical gaming keyboard. But first, roll the intro. Hello, my name is Kostas from Toolor Gaming, and today we're gonna talk about this great blue switch mechanical keyboard. If you click this video, you probably do not have a mechanical keyboard at the moment, so I will share my experience using this blue switch mechanical keyboard for a bit more than 2 years now. I wanted to make the switch because I watched top competitive gamers use them and they think they're pretty cool. Now with that said, after using this one for 2 years, I will say yes, it's totally worth it. What makes a mechanical keyboard so good is that clicky noise it has when it registers the keystroke. That gives the player indication and feeling when the key is pressed, both when hearing and a feeling. With membrane keyboards, there are situations where you are not sure if you press the key, and also sometimes it will not register it. But in mechanical keyboards, there is a point at which the key will register quite instantly at some point when pressing it. I know most of you already know this stuff, but I'm just trying to explain to people, trying to make the transition and make the transition. It is really worth it. If you are especially a competitive gamer, it is a must. Tell me in the comment section what keyboard you currently use. You don't need to buy anything expensive. Buy this one that I used for more than 2 years and never had a problem with it. Also, if you think $40 for a keyboard is expensive, it is not. Why? Because this keyboard you can clean it. It took me around 30 minutes to get all the keys out, clean it, and then all back together, but it is very doable. You will do this like every 6 months. Instead of buying a membrane keyboard that you cannot clean, or you need to clean it by using cleaning liquids that end up destroying the keyboard, and you just throw it in the trash and buy a new one, just buy this one. And also, please don't be this disgusting guy. No, not even this one. Just buy a keyboard you can use, and you can clean, and you can have fun with. There are more options for less money, but this one includes the 10-number keypad, which I love and which gets the keyboard a bit more expensive, but I have a link below for this keyboard, and also another keyboard that does not have the 10 keypad, and it is around $35. So I still think just pay the 40 to get the one with the keypad. For Euro prices, the prices are around 35 euros for the big one with the 10 keypad, and 30 euro for some of my Greek and Cypriot subscribers, so you know, guys. Now, if you are serious in buying a mechanical keyboard and you want to try out different cherry mix switches, but you do not know anyone that has different keyboards to test, buy this from AliExpress. It is a cherry mix switches keyboard tester kit. It has different switches that you can test and feel for yourself to decide which one feels best for you, as it is also personal preference. As I said in the beginning of the video, this keyboard is a blue switch keyboard. Another thing about mechanical keyboards is that you can customize them, and if a button gets destroyed for some reason, you can replace it. Here are some customization options for AliExpress. Are you a League of Legends gamer? An FPS gamer? Or more specifically a CSGO player? There are different customization options you can buy for your mechanical keyboard. That is all from me today, guys. I hope this video helped you decide if you want to buy a mechanical keyboard. My name is Kostas from Tural Gaming. Please subscribe. Now our channel videos are 4K. We made the switch to 4K now. I'm really happy that I bought this camera so I can show you much better all the tech stuff I want to show you. If you are still watching, I want to personally thank you for getting to the finish of the video, and comment below the secret word, which is Potato Monster. And also Happy New Year, and I hope you have a great time with your family and friends. See you on the next video.